Multiple schools in Delhi have received bomb threats, prompting swift evacuations and a massive security response. Among the schools targeted are Delhi Public School in Dwarka, Krishna Model Public School and Sarvodaya Vidyalay. According to reports, bomb threat calls were made earlier today, triggering panic and immediate action from authorities. Police teams there and bomb disposal squads have been quickly rushed to the scenes. As a precautionary measure, students and staff have been safely evacuated and comprehensive searches of all premises are currently underway. So far, there are no reports of any explosives found, but search operations are underway. This is, in fact, the big breaking that we are tracking for all those who have just joined us. Multiple schools in Delhi have received bomb threat yet again. Let me quickly go across to my colleague Ishita. She joins me over the phone line with more details on the same. Ishita, yet again, bomb threats reported at several Delhi schools, this time including DPS Dwarka and Najafgarh. Students and staff, of course, what we are understanding is that have been safely evacuated as police and bomb squads also, are conducting thorough searches. Take us through the details. What do we know?
Right now, as you mentioned, it seems that Delhi NCR has been caught in this cycle of hoax mails, because this is not the first time that schools in the past recent months have received a threat like this. To give you more details on the latest incident, now 3 schools have been targeted, including Delhi Public School, Dwarka, Krishna Model Public School and Sarvodaya Vidyalay. So all of these schools received threats early in the morning today, and this, of course, prompted evacuation. Schools were given to understand students and staff both have been evacuated, and currently search operations are underway. Now, in fact, it's not just these 3 schools. Some schools in Najafgarh area also received bomb threats. We do not have details of these specific schools from this Najafgarh area, but early calls were made around 6:30 a.m. today to the fire department about these bomb threats, and since then we have seen, police and bomb disposal squads. They've been rushed to the schools. Evacuations have taken place, and search operations at this point, in fact, are currently underway. Now, as far as any bomb is concerned, as of now, no explosive has been found, but search operations are underway. And if you look at this, this pattern, so in the past recent 8 months, in fact, about 150 schools in Delhi NCR have received bomb threats, but all turned out to be hoax, although they have, caused a lot of distress to students and staff who are present in these schools. And it's not just schools, in fact. If you look at the pattern, hotels, hospitals, all have been targeted in these bomb threat scares in Delhi NCR.